most of my salary goes to food because I'm addicted to food outside.
Everyone is freedom and everyone have the right to choose what next to do, what next to eat. So it's no problem. Just depend on yourself. You are the boss for yourself.
You are in charge of your life.
Yeah, I agree. Sometimes I cook just depend on my mood. For example, if today I want to have some kind of healthy and authentic food, I think I would like to try and cook by myself. But sometimes it's really lazy and really don't have mood, so I just eat outside.
You cook according to your mood, right?
Yes.
And if you are in a bad mood, do you make the food more spicy?
No, I don't think so.
Mm.
Just depend on my taste. Normally, I just have a little bit spicy, not just because of the bad mood, so I cook very spicy. No. So you just
Sometimes I like to have ice cream to cool down.
yeah, ice cream is good, delicious.
Ice cream to cool down is always a good idea.